Now we do anaerobic kriyas. So we start with Bhastrika. Keep your left hand in Vayu Mudra, palm facing upward on your left knee. Keep your right hand in Nasikagra Mudra, Nasika Mudra. Alternate nostril, rapid inhalation and rapid exhalation. Inhale from right, exhale from left. Inhale from left, exhale from right. When you inhale, push the stomach out. When you exhale, pull the stomach in. Vatakrama Bhastrika. Inhale from right, exhale from left. Inhale from left, exhale from right. When you inhale, move the stomach out. When you exhale, pull the stomach in. Relax, relax. Keep your both the palms in Vayu Mudra, facing upward on your knees. Inhale comfortably. Exhale comfortably, like joy. Inhale deep. Now we practice Utkrama Bhastrika. In Utkrama Bhastrika, as per the Garanda Samhita, we inhale from right, we exhale from left. The same nostril, it helps in clearing the windpipe and the sinuses. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, completely filling in your lungs. Take it up, give a little pause, few nanoseconds, and blow your nose out by bringing down your chin. Relax, relax. 10 to 15 rounds. Keep your palms up. Inhale fresh. Now your right nostril passage is clear. Your right windpipe is clear. It helps in solving the problems like the sinusitis, the nose allergy, and it increases the gap between your nose and the septum bone. Over a period of 1 year, if you regularly practice, you will never have any kind of respiratory problems associated with the nose. Inhale comfortably, exhale comfortably. Now we repeat from the left nostril the same pranayam. Keep your left hand in Vayu Mudra and inhale from left nostril, taking your chin up. Give a little gap and exhale as if you are blowing it out. Relax, relax. Now your both the nostrils are clear, sinuses are clear, your windpipe is clear. Keep your palms upward in Vayu Mudra. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. Now we do Sheet Krama Bhastrika. Inhale, push the stomach out. Exhale, pull the stomach in. So inhale, push the stomach out. Exhale, pull the stomach in. Bhastrika, we always have inhalation and exhalation both equal. Rapid inhalation, rapid exhalation. Relax, relax 20 to 40 times. Keep your both palms up. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. Sheet Krama Bhastrika. Entire attention in the stomach. Relax totally. Release your stomach freely. Now second round, we do the Sheet Krama Bhastrika, the same Bhastrika. Inhale, keep your hands in Jnana Mudra, palms downwards as a supporting, taking support of the knees, resting your palms onto the knees. Inhale rapidly, exhale rapidly. When you inhale, pull the stomach out, exhale, pull the stomach in. Relax, do around 40 to 50 rounds. Relax. Keep your palms upward in Vayu Mudra. Inhale on your joy, deep breathing. Inhale slowly, filling in your lungs. Exhale slowly, emptying out lungs. Now we do Anusara Bhastrika. Inhale. When you inhale, your chest goes up. When you exhale, your chest drops down. Your entire attention only in the chest, not in the stomach. Concentrate in the chest. Inhale up, exhale down. Relax, relax. Keep your palms upward. Inhale slowly, exhale slowly. In between anaerobic kriyas, it is necessary to inhale deeply, exhale deeply in diaphragmatic breathing, that is aerobic breathing. Otherwise, you will harm your heart and your lungs. Now we do Shakti Chalan Bhastrika. Now stand on your knees, sit on your knees, either in Angushta Vajrasana like this or stand on your knees. So when you inhale, your hands go up. Rapid inhalation, hands go up, opening up your palms. When you exhale, bring your hands down rapidly, banging your chest with your arms. Inhale up, exhale down, making a fist. Like 20 times you do it. Relax, relax. Sit on your Angushta Vajrasana. Concentrate on your knees. Concentrate on your palms and fingers. Lot of sensations in your palms and fingers. Inhale, exhale. When you do Shakti Chalan Bhastrika, this is a Shakti Chalan Bhastrika, you are virtually compressing the lungs like blacksmith has in his kiln. Those air sacs, when he compresses, the trapped gases come out. So it helps in venting out all the trapped gases in your lungs. Come, second round. Inhale, your hands up. Exhale, your hands down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Relax, relax. Sit comfortably in Sukhasana, in Siddhasana, or in Lotus. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply, keeping your palms in Vayu Mudra. Bhastrika is a Samashitoshna Kriya. It helps in pumping in the oxygen and it helps in pumping out the gases which are not necessary, like Apana, Samana, Udhana, Vyana. It helps in regularizing these gases. Bhastrika is preparation for Kapalbhati. Now we do Kapalbhati. First we do Vyutkrama Kapalbhati. So keep your left palm in Jnana Mudra and alternate nostril rapid exhalation. Kapalabhati means concentration only on exhalation. The little oxygen goes, your inhalation remains little. Don't concentrate on the inhalation. In Kapalabhati, we concentrate only on exhalation. Rapid exhalation from alternate nostrils, simultaneously pulling your stomach in. Exhale from right, pull the stomach in. Exhale from left, pull the stomach in. And again, exhale from right, pull the stomach in. Do it around 40 times. Relax. If you have finished 40 rounds, keep your palms upward. Inhale comfortably, exhale comfortably, relax. Always try to breathe in from the throat, not from the nose. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. Now we repeat the same Kapalbhati, Utkrama Kapalbhati. Keep your left hand down. Inhale comfortably, exhale comfortably. This is according to the Garanda Samhita. As Garudanatha says, it's Vyutkrama Bastrika, what we have done. Now we do Kapalbhati. Now we do ordinary Kapalbhati. So it is referred in Hatha Yoga Pradipika as a Bastrika and in Garanda Samhita as a Kapalbhati. So now we do the Kapalbhati. Keep your hands down. Kapalbhati is a Kriya. So rapidly exhale, pull the stomach in, to and fro like Thadan Kriya, moving your stomach freely. Exhale rapidly from both the nostrils, pull the stomach totally in. Relax. This is Madhyam Gati Kapalbhati. Do it around 40 to 50 times per minute. Keep your palms upward. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Filling in your lungs. Emptying out your lungs. Inhale comfortably. Exhale comfortably. Otherwise, you are taxing your heart and lungs. So it is necessary to inhale deeply, exhale deeply in between each round of Kapalbhati. One can practice 10 rounds of the Kapalbhati. If you are practicing only Kapalbhati, Bastrika Kapalbhati Agnisar, then practice Kapalbhati around 10 to 15 rounds. Effective in reducing the fat in the stomach. Second round, keep your hands down. Relax. If you have finished 40 to 50 rounds, inhale comfortably, exhale comfortably. Quite exhaustive. Helps in dissolving the fat in the stomach. It's one of the Shat Karma, Shat Kriyas for dissolving the fat in the stomach. If you do 10 to 15 rounds, you feel whole body numbness, vibrations. It shows the exhaustion. Inhale slowly, exhale slowly. Always practice pranayama after doing exercises. So a lot of lactic acid is produced in asanas. When you do these kriyas, pranayamas, it gets converted into carbon dioxide and the energy. Now we do Agnisar. Agnisar, we inhale, and in exhalation bend forward. You keep your hands onto the knees and hold the breath and move the stomach in and out in Bahir Kumbhak. And don't inhale or exhale while you are moving your stomach in and out. And once you are finished, in inhalation, come up. Inhale. Inhale and come up. Relax. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. At least 3 deep inhalations and exhalations. First 2 rounds in Agnisar, do it bit slow. Your stomach, don't move it fast, bit slow. Second round, inhale. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. And it's done in Bahir Kumbhak. You are inhaling, exhaling, keeping your palms onto the knees as a supporting. So your stomach is by gravity, it is naturally pulled down. So it's very effective when you do it like that. Otherwise, in sitting also it can be done. So now the third round, inhale. Move your stomach freely in and out. Now you can increase the pace. Inhale, slowly come up. Inhale deeply and exhale deeply. Agnisar, as the name says, it generates the heat in the body. It helps in dissolving the fat around your intestines and around the stomach, around the bladder. It's much deeper. It can be done even up to 400 to 500 times. In each round, 20 to 40 times. The next round, fourth round, inhale. Move the stomach rapidly, in and out, in and out. Relax, relax, inhale, exhale. Fifth round, inhale. Inhale up. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. Now sixth round, inhale. Move the stomach freely, pull totally in and drop it down. And slowly you can increase the pace. A beginner, 13 times, and slowly 20 to 40 times per round. Inhale and slowly come up. Inhale, exhale. You feel like suffocated inside your spine. You feel sweating as if you are in a sultry room. Inhale, exhale. Next round, 6th round, inhale. Inhale, up. Inhale, exhale. Seventh round, inhale. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. Eighth round, inhale. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. When you inhale, your stomach comes out. When you exhale, your stomach goes in. Ninth round, inhale. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. Last round, Agnisar, inhale. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. Kapalbhati is preparation for Agnisar. Now Agnisar is preparation for Uddiyana. So Agnisar, a lot of heat is generated. One can practice up to 15 rounds, if 15 to 20 rounds. If he is going to practice only Kapalbhati Agnisar to reduce the fat in the stomach. Now we do Uddiyana. Relax, inhale, exhale. It is similar to Agnisar, but we don't move the stomach. We inhale deeply, exhale and pull the stomach deeply, and hold it. Your navel should touch to the spine. So Uddiyana means flying away. Your stomach flies into thoracic cavity. Second round, inhale, inhale. Pull the stomach in and hold it. You can keep your fingers into the side cavities and see how much cavity is formed. The more the cavity, the better it is. Inhale and come up. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. Second round, inhale, inhale. It helps in dissolving even the stones, small stones in your gallbladder. Very effective in solving the problems with the uterus. Inhale and come up. We do the third round. Inhale. Inhale and come up. When you do Dhyan, it helps in solving the problems of your reproductive system, your uterus system, your stomach. Next round, fourth round, inhale. Pull the stomach in, hold it, pull it. Inhale and come up, inhale and come up, inhale, exhale. Last round, inhale. Hold the stomach inside. Inhale and come up. Inhale and exhale. Relax, relax. Once you do Dhyan perfectly, then you will be able to practice Nauli. Nauli is much deeper exercise for the intestines and for solving all the complications in your uterus system. It helps in toning up your uterus and your reproductive system. Nauli. Inhale, exhale, bend forward, do Dhyan, pull the stomach in, and then try to push your stomach one side. So one side the cavity formation takes place. Either side, whichever is convenient, you will be able to get only one. This is called Dakshina Nauli. The right side stomach goes in. Inhale and come up. And then if you hold the stomach left side, then that's called Vama Nauli, the left side. So inhale. Inhale and come up. So first practice one side, it will come naturally, and then you practice Madhyama Nauli. Inhale, exhale, put the stomach out, both the sides, cavities formation takes place. Nauli is good for, there are 12 Naulis in Naulis. So what we are doing are 4 Naulis, Dakshina, Vama, Madhyama. Now we do Madhyama Nauli, the center Nauli. Inhale, exhale, push the stomach, only intestines out. Check the cavities on both the sides, only intestines come out. And then inhale and come up. And once you advance, once you master these postures, then you will be able to do the Nauli. So, the Nauli is a chakri, means you can rotate like a wave. Your intestines move like a wave on the sea. So, moving left to right, right to left. So, with the gati, with the movement. So, that is the ultimate Nauli. So, now we do inhale, exhale. Your intestines moving along the periphery of your underway, left to right, right to left. It's very good lubrication for your intestines. Inhale and come up. So you can do around 5 to 6 rounds, but it takes time. Once you advance in Uddiyana, once you perfect Uddiyana, Nauli will come. So relax. Inhale, exhale. You do the second round. Nicely rotate your intestines from left to right, right to left. Inhale, up. Inhale, exhale. The problems like ulcers in the intestine, like blockages in the fallopian tubes, in the uterus. So all these deeper problems can be overcome by practicing Nauli. Third round. We finish second round, third round. Inhale. Inhale, up. Relax. Inhale deeply. Exhale deeply. Nauli is also one of the Shat Karma, Shat Kriyas, like Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati, Agnisar, Uddiyana, Nauli, all these are Kriyas. Anaerobic pranayamas. Last round, Nauli. Inhale. Relax, relax. Inhale deeply. Exhale deeply. Inhale deeply. Exhale deeply. Now we do Mahabandhan. Mahabandhan, it includes Moola Bandhan, Uddiyana Bandhan, Jalandhar Bandhan. Inhale, exhale, like we have done in anaerobic kriyas, like in Agnisar, Uddiyana, and pull the rectum inside, pull the anus inside, and pull the genitals inside, abdomen inside, and lock the chin to the chest. Inhale, exhale, pull the rectum, pull the abdomen, and lock the chin. Mahabandhan, Jara, Marana, Vyadhi. It helps in avoiding the complications in the old age, diseases, and any kind of the problems. Inhale and come up. Relax, keep your palms upward. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply. There is so much praise about Mahabandhan in Upanishads, in yoga texts. It's very good to solve all the complications of the excretory system, urinary system, reproductive system, digestive system. Second round, when you do this, so you will lose quickly the grip on your anal muscles. So keep trying to contract them. So second round, inhale. In inhalation up, you are inhaling and exhaling and moving the stomach in and rectum in. You are pulling the anus upward inside. Mola Bandhan, moving the rectum inside is called Mola Bandhan. Contracting the rectum is called Mola Bandhan. Moving the stomach inside is called Uddhiyan. Locking the chin is called Jalandhar Bandhan. One helps in locking Apana, one helps in locking your Samana, one helps in locking Udhana. 3 air elements. Now third round, inhale. Pull the rectum inside, pull the stomach inside, lock the chin. Inhale and up. Minimum 3 times. Mahabandhan. Mola Bandhan, Uddhiyan Bandhan, Jalandhar Bandhan together is called Mahabandhan. One doesn't suffer the old age complications. One can remain independent, not dependent even in the old age. Now we practice Anulom Vilom. Now we need to cool down the system. We need to bring down the metabolic rate. So we do aerobic Anulom Vilom. Keep your left hand in Vayu Mudra, palms upward. Your right hand in Nasagra Mudra or Nasikagra Mudra. Inhale comfortably from right. Exhale comfortably from left. No sound should come. Your mind is relaxed with every inhalation, with every exhalation. Alternate nostril, comfortable inhalation, comfortable exhalation. Inhale right, exhale left. Inhale left, exhale right. No sound should come. You are comfortably inhaling to the capacity of your lungs, comfortably exhaling. Your mind is totally relaxed and released with every inhalation and with every exhalation. Observe how is your inhalation from left nostril and right nostril. Which one is colder? Is it the inhalation from the left nostril cold or inhalation from the right nostril cold? Similarly, observe exhalation. Which one is hot? The exhalation from the right nostril, is it hot? Or from the left nostril, is it hot? Which one is more hot? Relax, relax. Keep your hands down, palms upward. Inhale, exhale. Now further, in order to bring down the metabolic rate, for activating sympathetic, parasympathetic nervous system, we do Chandrabhedi Pranayam, Moon Pranayam. Moon Pranayam controls the moods. It cools down the mind, it calms down the mind. Good for the heart patients. Inhale from left, exhale from right. Inhale only from left, exhale only from right. Comfortably inhale, comfortably exhale. Your exhalation always should remain longer than inhalation. Slowly filling in your lungs, inhale. Slowly emptying out your lungs, exhale. Relax, relax. One can even practice up to 5 minutes, 6 minutes if the purpose is only to bring down the metabolic rate for the heart patients. Otherwise, 10 to 15 rounds should be good enough. Inhale, exhale, relax. Now we do the last pranayam, Bhramari. So, Bhramari is a part of the Tantra. Inhale and in exhalation, Swara Yoga and Nada Yoga, concentrating on the sound. Exhalation is done through producing the sound automatically. You are inhaling and you are producing sound. And your hands in Shanmukhi Mudra. Your index finger onto the eyelid, gently pressing to the bone under the eyeballs. Your middle finger above the nostrils to the septum bone. You are locking your lips between ring finger and little finger. You are closing your ears, plugging in your thumbs inside. Or also you can press your ears from outside. As per the text, keep your thumbs inside. Inhale and produce the sound. Concentrate on the echo of the sound. Concentrate on the echo. And do it around 5 times, and once you finish, don't open your eyes directly. So warm up your hands, hug them to the eyeballs, and then nicely massaging your face, open them up. Now we do Bhramari. Keep your hands in Shanmukhi Mudra. Let's start. Again, inhale. Warm up your palms. Hug them to the eyes. And gently open your eyes inside the hands, loosening them, the semi-darkness, and nicely massaging your face and your eyes. Open them out, keep them on your knees, palms facing upward. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya. Tamaso ma Jyotirgamaya. Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. Om Sahana Bhavatu. Sahanau Bhunaktu. Sahaviryan Karavavahai. Tejasvinavadhitamastu. Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Sarvesham Swastir Bhavatu. Sarvesham Shantir Bhavatu. Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu. Sarvesham Purnam Bhavatu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe. Sugandhin Pushtivardhanan. Urvarukamiva Bandhanan. Mrityor Mukhi Kshayam Amrutan. Om Jyau Shanti. Shanti Antarikshatvam Shanti. Shanti Prudhivi Shanti. Shanti Rapa Shanti. Shanti Roshadhaya Shanti. Shanti Vanaspataya Shanti. Shanti Vishve Deva Shanti. Shanti Brahmam Shanti. Shanti Sarvasvam Shanti. Shanti Shanti Reva Shanti. Shanti Sama Shanti. शान्तिरेधि शान्ति ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ तत्सत्।